Mix condensed milk with eggs for a surprising result. Add 3 egg yolks to a 395-gram can of condensed milk. Mix and transfer everything to a saucepan. Next, add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything well with the heat still off. Now add 1 liter of milk. Turn on medium heat and stir until it thickens. This is the perfect consistency. Now divide this cream into 2 parts. Add a package of cornstarch cookies to a grinder. Grind until it becomes fine crumbs. Next, add a bit of butter or margarine. Transfer everything to a springform pan. Set it aside. Add 5 tablespoons of cocoa to half the cream. Mix everything together thoroughly. Now let's add vanilla essence to the other half of the cream. All done. Now let's combine the 2 mixtures. Now we'll swirl it as I'm showing you to blend the creams a bit. All set. Just chill it until it firms up. After that, folks, we'll unmold, slice and enjoy. Check it out, everyone. This recipe turns out amazing. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. That was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.